Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So we'll start with something new today. Like for your unit test, beta, syllabus. We have done modal exercises already with you. Grammar. Yes or no? Nobody knows because nobody is regular. So obviously nobody knows what all is done, what all is not done. Anyways, in your unit test, you have notice writing. So I'm starting with notice writing today. There are 6 types of notices in your syllabus. How many types?
Six types.
Six type.
One by one, I'll take up all. So you have to do basically nothing. You have to see and then write only one example of each type so that you know the pattern. Last June, you will have your duties. So you are going to have notice writing. First, things to be kept in mind when you write the notice: name of the organization, the word notice is to be written, date of issue of the notice to be put on the left side, heading, whom is the notice addressed to, what it is about, why is it issued, details like date, time, venue, duration, people, other details, signature, name, destination. The language used must be in third person. Means I and you is never to be used. Okay, the language used should be in what person?
Third person.
Third person. Never write I and you. First person, second person is not to be used. Usually present or future tense is used. Normally in both the cases, maximum cases we use this only. See this. This in a box. Adhere to the word limit. Now we are going to do the first type of notice today. That is notice for a meeting. Which is the first notice we are going to practice today, children?
Notice for a meeting.
Notice for a meeting.
Yes, beta, notice for a meeting. Now listen carefully. You are Abhishek Avantika of class 12, Swami Vivekanand Public School. You are the activity coordinator. Draft a notice to the activity council members to discuss and plan the activities of Christmas Day celebrations. Now you will just read the notice very quickly in 1 minute and I'll ask you a few questions. However, this is not perfect. This PDF is not perfect. I'll tell you how this date is written. It's correct. There's a comma over here, so no problem. Can you see the name of the institution is written in capital letters and a comma and then the name of the city? Then this word notice has to be written in capital letters. Left side will have what? The dates and then the subject. Word limit is 50 words. Your notice should not exceed 50 words. All the activity members are informed to attend a meeting tomorrow at this time in the biology lab. Meeting is called to discuss the activities of Christmas Day. You should come with your ideas and the estimated cost, infrastructure. Now this sentence, beta, for further details, please start from a new line. Is it okay? Don't write from, change your line and start from here. For further details, please contact the undersigned. Is it okay?
Yes.
Are you clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
This line, this has to be written from a new line, and this Abhishek, class 12th, is not needed. In simply write activity coordinator, the designation is given. Now, please answer my questions. Who has called the meeting?
Ma'am, I'm joining the meeting again because it's getting glazing. So, ma'am, please let me in.
Who has called the meeting? Tell me, children. Answer these questions of
Council member.
activity coordinator. What is his name?
Abhishek.
Abhishek.
What is the date and time of the meeting? See here.
Ma'am, date is 6th December.
7th December, because the notice is on 6th December and the meeting is tomorrow. You should not write like this. You always write the date over here. Tomorrow, that is 7th December. Please make the date clear. Never write tomorrow, day after tomorrow, nothing. Always write the proper date. And what is the time for the meeting?
10:30 a.m.
10:30 a.m.
Okay. What is the venue? What is the venue?
Biology lab.
Biology lab.
Biology.
What is the purpose of the meeting or the agenda of the meeting?
Activities for
Christmas Day celebrations.
Okay, who are supposed to attend? Who are the people who are supposed to attend?
Activity council members.
Very good. Any specific instructions for the people who are called for the meeting?
Ma'am, that they should come with their ideas.
Very good. And then contact person with designation. Who is the contact person?
Ma'am, activity coordinator.
Abhishek. Yes, contact person is Abhishek. His designation is at least activity coordinator. So you see all these questions which should be there, all the details which should be there in the notice are there in this notice. The word limit is perfect. It's 50 words. It should not exceed that. So everything if you see is perfectly done. This is how a notice is written for notice for a meeting. So today what you need to do is you will put on the heading notice writing, put today's date, type 1 notice for meeting. What is the first type we'll be writing today? Type 1 notice for,
Meeting.
Meeting.
and this notice will be written. You'll have to make a box. The only change that you need to do, please put the date over here. Two changes in this when you write. First is put the date over here. Attend the meeting on 7th December. Don't write tomorrow. And this line for further details should be from a new line. That is all the change that is expected from you. How much time you think you need to write this type 1 notice? Beta one of each type, let us discuss and write so that for your unit test you feel more confident. How much time should I give you?
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Ma'am, 5 minutes.
Okay, you do one thing.
5
You start
minutes.
writing. You start writing and posting on the group. Make sure you make the box. You lose your marks for this. Hurry up, everybody, please. Please write, post on the group. Beta, same thing. This is the first one we are doing. So copy that is as it is. Then we'll practice more later. As of now, I'm just doing. No need to write the question. Nothing. Only this notice which is in the box. The heading will be notice for a meeting. Each type of notice, one, if you have a pattern, you'll be able to write very quickly. Whoever finishes is posting on the group, please inform me that, ma'am, I'm posting on the group so that I can keep checking also side by side what you have written. Simultaneously, I'll keep checking. Remember, whoever finishes writing will inform me so that I can check.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, we have to leave a line between notice and a date.
Beta, it is preferable that you leave it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the date becomes, but do not write the word date, D-A-T-E. Just write the date. Some students, what they do, they write D-A-T-E and then they write the date. Please do not write that English word date. Just simply write the date.
Ma'am, I have read.
Have you posted?
No, ma'am, post.
Okay. Please post on the group. I'll go back on the group and check. One by one, please keep posting on the groups.
Ma'am posted.
Ma'am, posted.
I'm posted.
Ma'am, posted.
Okay,
Ma'am,
beta. What
posted.
about
Posted, ma'am.
others, children? What about others? Hurry up, children. I'm on the group only. Uh, in the bio group, Anadi has posted. And who else has posted? The first one is whom's? Zeba.
Posted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Zeba, Ani, Anadi. Very good. The boxes are made. Very good. On bio group, two students have already posted. What about others? What are the others doing?
Ma'am, post.
I'm checking on the other groups also. 11th commerce. Anant has posted. Very good. And Pranjal has posted. Good. Pranjal, do we have a box made?
Yes,
Okay, I
ma'am.
could not see the other side, no, the right side. Okay, beta. See, there's a way of making a box. You can make the left, the top, and the right column in the beginning only. Niche wala, the last one, that you can do it later. Let's check on the PCM group now. Kshitij has posted, Yash has posted, Moksha has posted, and Riya has posted. Okay, good. Let's go to humanities. Snehal has posted. Like always, do we have anyone else in the humanities group joining the class? Or always, like always, it's only Snehal for English class also?
Yes, ma'am.
You are there? Who is there? Anushri?
Ma'am, Anjali. Yes, ma'am.
Anjali is there.
Anjali.
Anjali is there. Okay, good, Anjali. New admission, but good that you're regular. Yes, beta. You want me to wait for a minute or two, or should I move on to the next
Ma'am, 1 minute.
time?
Ma'am, I've posted.
Very good. Let me check out.
Ma'am posted.
Okay, beta. Very good. Let me go through. This is type 1 notice. Notice for what, children?
Meeting.
Meeting.
How many types of notice we have in our syllabus?
6 types.
6 types.
And do it very nicely. The reason being, you have notice writing in class 12th also. So, this will be useful in class 12th. Moving on to the second type of notice. Notice for events. It could be a competition, a celebration, a tour, a visit, a sports meet, or a cultural event, anything it could be. The details would almost be the same, a little bit change. I'll be asking these questions and you'll be answering. First, you have to only read this, type 2 notice. Please read this and then answer my questions. All these questions which are on the top, I'll be asking you. You are the cultural secretary of your school. You have been asked to inform the students of class 6 to 12 about an inter-house dramatics competition. So you have to draft a notice in not more than 50 words with necessary details. You are Weber/Vandita. Just read the notice and be ready for the questions, orally only.
Ma'am, which type of notice is
Beta, this is type 2 notice. Abhi, we are not writing. I'll give you time. This is notice for events. Any event it could be. It could be a competition, a celebration, a school
Okay,
tour,
ma'am.
sports meet, cultural event, any event. Just read the notice. Ready for the questions?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask. Who is organizing the event?
Ma'am, the school.
Okay. Who can participate?
Class 6 to 12 students.
All the details are clearly mentioned now. Who can participate? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the occasion?
Ma'am,
Inter-house
inter-house
dramatics
dramatics.
Inter-house dramatics competition.
Very good. It's an inter-house dramatics competition. In case we talk about a tour or a visit, then we need to tell about the number of days. But here we need not mention. Expenditure also we will have in this only. Fair cost in case it's a visit or a tour. Last date of depositing, this will not come. Any specific instructions?
The cap,
Mention.
all house captains must submit their scripts for to be that would be enacted by their houses.
Very good. And then who is the contact person?
Vandita
Cultural.
Bhushan.
Vandita Ghosh.
Yes, Vandita or Weber, whatever. And what is the designation of the person?
Cultural secretary.
Cultural secretary.
Cultural secretary. See, when you write the subject of the notice, be very careful that only the first letter has to be capital. Okay, let me go back to this. See over here. Yes, Piche, see. Except for prepositions and conjunctions, if you see prepositions and conjunctions, all other words should start with the first letter, capital. Activity A, celebration C, Christmas Day. Understood? Similarly, when you write here also, the first letter should be capital. The entire thing should not be written in capital letters. Only the first letter should be capital, except for the prepositions and conjunctions. Let me show it to you. Like here, for and of, you will not take F and O capital. But all other words, the first letter has to be capital. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll have the name of the school, comma, name of the city, all in capitals. Notice, see this line, if you want, you make. If you don't want, don't make this line. It's not needed as such. Date is perfectly written. You can see TH is on the line. It is not written as a power. I keep reminding everybody the same thing. Just read it once quickly. This is type 2. Put on the second heading. Type 2, notice for events. Put on the second heading, beta, type 2, notice for events. Yes, beta, type 2, notice for events. Only write this much. No need to write all this in the bracket. No need to write the question and take this as a sample. This one. Please start writing this sample too. Write type 2, post it. Tell me that you're posting it. If you take one sample of each, you'll be confident doing it better. All types of notices. Whoever finishes, let me know, dear. Hurry up, children, hurry up. Type 2, please post. Today we'll do only 2 types of notices. First is notice for meeting and second is notice for an event.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay, let me check on the groups. Keep posting, keep informing.
अरे
Yes, Peter. Very good. Quickly post, children. Those who are posting, I am checking on the group. Hurry up, Peter. Only 2 students are posted till now. Please hurry up.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay, very good. I'm checking on the groups. Children, please hurry up.
Ma'am, I have also posted.
See, biology, I can see Surabhi has posted, Ira has posted, and Ifra has posted,
Posted on
Anadi
commerce.
and Zeba. Very good. 5 students from the biology group. Commerce, Anant has posted only. As of now, only Anant has posted. Humanities, very good. Anjali and Snehal, both of them have posted. Very good, bitches. Now we'll come to mathematics. Let me check out for PCM group. PCM, PCM, PCM. Yes, good. Moksh has posted. Kshitij Gangwar. Inter-house dramatics competition. Okay, fine. Very good. Just 1 second. Whose is this? Kshitij, you've not written the name of the city of the school? Kshitij? I don't know. Maybe this might have some issues. The name of the city for the school has to be mentioned, children. I'm just checking. This is Chirag. Good. Very good. Activities for celebration of Christmas Day. This is the first one. Yes, Sharma. Whose is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, the name of the city should come in the same line.
Ma'am,
After
actually
the
space
comma.
was less so.
But be careful now. Whenever you do it in the exams, be very careful.
Yes, ma'am.
Try and write it in the same line, otherwise you lose your marks. Hurry up, students.
Ma'am, posted.
Let me check beta. Hurry up, beta. Please hurry up.
Posted.
Okay, let me check. I'll go on the groups and check. Those who write post What are other students doing? Please hurry up.
I'm posted in the commerce group.
Okay, bache, let me go to the commerce group and check. Basically, we did type 1 notice. That was for what?
Notice for a
Meeting.
meeting.
Very good. And what is the type 2 notice?
For events.
For the event.
Notice for
Sometimes
event.
very good. Beta, sometimes for event, you'll have those kind of notices where you'll be writing a notice that your school is taking the students for 2 days tour or 3 days tour. Then some extra information has to be added. Like duration of the tour, how much money has to be paid, other details have to be given. But for all others, the pattern will remain the same one. Whoever has finished, please post. I'm checking on all. See, designation, if you want, of the person who is writing, it's your choice. If you want, you can put it in the bracket. If not, then leave it.
And ma'am, class.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, we have to write class.
No, class is not needed. When your designation is mentioned, you need not write class. Just use 2 lines, your name and the designation.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the second line under the school name, ma'am, we have to write only notice or like notice for meeting or notice for event.
No. Only notice. Only notice.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Whatever kind of notice it is, you have to just write the heading as notice. The subject, when you write, you'll be giving the details that what kind of notice you're writing.
Okay, ma'am.
This,
Okay.
this to beta type 1, type 2, we've just divided it for your convenience so that when you study, you know that how many types of notice are there in your syllabus. That's it. There are 6 types. We'll do one sample each. Then we'll practice them more also.